Welcome back to Bike Update, your go-to source for the latest in two-wheel innovation. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Honda XR650L, a motorcycle that continues to uphold its reputation as a rugged, no-nonsense dual-sport machine built to handle both city streets and off-road trails with ease. Time-tested design. The XR650L remains visually true to its roots with a minimalist design and classic dual-sport stance. Its tall seat height, upright riding position, and long travel suspension remind us that this bike was made for adventure. Despite the industry's shift toward aggressive modern aesthetics, the XR650L holds onto its tried-and-true frame, a move that appeals to riders who value durability and function over flash, engine, and performance. At the heart of the 2025 XR650L is the same reliable 644 cubic centimeters air-cooled single-cylinder engine. This power plant may not scream high-tech, but it delivers consistent torque and performance on both paved roads and dirt trails. Paired with a 5-speed transmission, the engine offers smooth throttle response and enough grunt to conquer tough terrain or daily commutes without breaking a sweat. Built for versatility. What sets the XR650L apart is its versatility. With over 11 inches of ground clearance and long travel suspension, it thrives in off-road conditions. Yet, its street-legal features, headlight, indicators, and mirrors mean you can ride it from the trailhead to the coffee shop without switching bikes. The rugged steel frame and basic electronics make it easy to maintain, especially for those who like to get their hands dirty. Conclusion. The 2025 Honda XR650L isn't about flashy upgrades or cutting-edge tech. It's about reliability, simplicity, and the freedom to ride anywhere. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or a newcomer to the dual-sport world, the XR650L continues to prove that sometimes old school is still the best school. Thanks for watching Bike Update. Stay tuned for more in-depth looks at the machines that move us.